Okay, we're ready to get your Sharpboard and your Chromebook connected. Now we're going to use Splashtop Classroom. So to do that, we're going to start out on our Sharpboard. We're going to go down here to our Windows icon. We're going to click on All Apps. We're going to scroll down until we find Splashtop. We're going to click on Splashtop Streamer. Under the status, you want to make sure that you're logged in. If you do not have a username and password, please email Mr. Lunsford and he'll set up an account for you, send you an invitation, and then you'll be able to set up your password. Once you have that information, you're going to enter your password. It may ask you after you sign in, it may ask you to update Splashtop. Go ahead and do that and let it run through its updates. The two tabs that we need to worry about are our status tab, which shows that you're logged in, and our sharing tab. When I click on sharing, I want to make sure the resolution says show computer's native resolution. If I choose the iPad, then you'll lose a few inches on each side of your Sharpboard once you start sharing. I click start sharing, and now I'm ready to start the process on my Chromebook. Once we get to that point, it'll ask you for a session code, which is going to be this number right here. Okay, so now we're ready for step 2. We're ready to connect our Chromebook to our Sharpboard. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to go down here to the search menu, and we're going to look for Splashtop Classroom. If it's not right here in your most frequent apps, you simply go here in the search menu and you start typing in Splashtop Classroom. It'll be the first icon. You're going to enter the session code that you'll find on your Sharpboard. Once you've started a session, you're going to enter a name and you're going to click join. And now I am connected to my Sharpboard. And now you can see that everything that's on my Sharpboard, as I'm moving my cursor on my Sharpboard, is now showing up on my Chromebook. From here, in the participants column, that's going to list all of the names of the students or whoever is sharing your session. This item, the control, that's where you give control to that person. So if I click on this item right here beside Clark Kent, that means now I can control the Sharpboard from my Chromebook. So for those that would like to use this to control their Sharpboard, to be able to move around, to be more mobile, you can do that now. And you can alternate control between students. So if I can always go back to the Sharpboard and take control away by just simply clicking on there. I can send sound. So if I'm sending a video, I can click sound, and any sound that I have playing on my Sharpboard will now go to my Chromebook. I wouldn't recommend this, as when you're streaming video to your Chromebook, you will see a lag time between the video and the sound. And then up here at the top, this is where you stop your session. So now that you have your Chromebook connected to your Sharpboard, you're ready to use it in your classroom. The last thing we need to do is stop our session. And each time I start a session, then it will give me a new code for each time. So I don't have to worry about not having or using the same code all day long. And now you can see that I'm back to my original Chromebook screen.